In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a meeting link on Microsoft Teams. If you need to quickly share a Teams meeting with someone, the good news is that the process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the meeting and copy its shareable link so you can paste it into a message, email, or calendar update. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar section. This is where all of your scheduled meetings are listed, so it's the easiest place to locate the event you want to share. If you have several meetings on the same day, take a second to confirm the date and time before clicking anything. That way, you make sure you're copying the correct meeting link. Once you're in Calendar, select the meeting you want to share. Clicking the meeting will open its details, where you can view more information about that event. This is important because the meeting details area is where the link appears. If you're working with recurring meetings or multiple similar events, double check the title and schedule so you don't accidentally send the wrong invitation. After you've opened the correct meeting, look for the row that contains the meeting URL. On the far right side of that row, you'll see a clipboard icon or copy icon. Click that icon to copy the meeting link to your clipboard. In most cases, there won't be a big pop-up, but the link should now be copied and ready to paste wherever you need it. At that point, you can paste the link into a chat, document, or email using your usual paste shortcut, or by right-clicking and selecting paste. This is especially useful if someone needs quick access to the meeting but doesn't have the original invite. One helpful tip is to paste the link somewhere briefly, just to confirm it copied correctly before sending it out to others. That can save time and prevent confusion, especially if you're sharing it with a group. And that's all it takes to copy a meeting link on Microsoft Teams. Open Calendar, choose the meeting, and click the copy icon next to the meeting URL. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast habit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you share your Teams meetings more easily.